1. Global mean surface temperature rise. 2. More frequent and/or more intense heat waves. 3. Ocean warming. 4. Global sea to level rise. 5. Melting of glaciers and mountain ice. 6. Loss and thinning of Arctic sea ice. 7. Ice sheet mass loss. 8. Earlier spring phenology. 9. Changes in precipitation patterns. 10. Increased frequency, intensity of heavy precipitation and flood events. 11. Regional increases in drought frequency and/or severity. 12. Increased wildfire frequency, extent, and fire weather conditions. 13. Ocean acidification. 14. More frequent and severe coral bleaching and mass coral to mortality events. 15. Shifts in species geographic ranges. 16. Changes in timing of biological events. 17. Increased tree mortality and forest dieback linked to heat, drought, and pests. 18. Permafrost thawing and associated ground instability greenhouse gas release. 19. Increased coastal erosion and more frequent coastal flooding. 20%. Saltwater intrusion into coastal aquifers and soils. 21. Increased risk of glacial lake outburst floods. 22. Changes in ocean circulation and regional oceanographic patterns. 23. Changes in the distribution and seasonality of vector-borne diseases. 24. Observed impacts on crop yields and growing seasons. 25. Observed impacts on human health. 26. Observed economic impacts and damage to infrastructure from climate-related extremes. 27. Losses of coastal wetlands and mangroves in some places. 28%. Increase in megafaunal animal population stress and localized extinctions at vulnerable sites, ecosystems. 29%. Documented changes in fisheries. 30. Increased frequency of compound events. Notes on scope and confidence. The items above are major widely documented impacts that were predicted by climate science and have now been observed. Confidence and attribution vary by impact and by region. For many items, the scientific assessments assign high to very high confidence that human greenhouse gas emissions are the primary cause. Some impacts are more context dependent and have greater regional variability and uncertainty. This list is extensive, but not literally every single local or indirect effect. Many local ecosystem specific and socioeconomic consequences branch from the entries above. Key authoritative sources summarizing observed impacts, IPCC assessments, and major agencies such as NASA and NOAA document and attribute these observed changes. See less.